Hello, my name is Amal Francis, registration number UR15cs043. I am going to present my video for experiment number 4 of Java Lab. So, my question is write a superclass called shape which contains two instance variables color, string, and field boolean. Two constructors, a no argument constructor that initializes the color to green and field to true, and a constructor that initializes the color and field to the given values. Getter and setter for all the instant variables. By convention, the getter for a boolean variable xxx is called is xxx instead of get xxx for all other types. A two-string method that returns a shape with color of xxx and filled or not filled. Write a test program to test all the methods defined in shape. Write two subclasses of shape called circle and rectangle as shown in the class diagram. Circle class contains an instance variable radius type double, three constructors as shown. The no argument constructor initializes the radius to 1.0. Getter and setter for the instance variable radius methods get area and get perimeter. Override the toString method inherited to return a circle with radius xxx, which is a subclass of yyyy, where yyyy is the output of the toString method from the superclass. The rectangle class contains two instance variables, width type double and length type double. Three constructors as shown. The no argument constructor initializes the width and length to 1.0. Getter and setter for all the instance variables. Methods get area and get perimeter. Override the toString method inherited to return a rectangle with width xxx and length zzz, which is a subclass of yyyy, where yyyy is the output of the toString method from the superclass. Write a class called square as a subclass of rectangle. Convince yourself that square can be modeled as a subclass of rectangle. Square has no instance variable but inherits the instance variables width and length from its superclass rectangle. Provide the appropriate constructors and override the toString method to return a square with side xxx, which is the class of yyyy, where yyyy is the output of the toString method from superclass. Okay, so this is the main method for this program. Here I have declared. Here I am displaying the toString method of the base class named shape, and this is of the base class circle, and this is of class rectangle. This is the get area function of rectangle class. This is the toString method of square class. This is the get perimeter method of square class. So this is the now this is the class declare definition. This is the shape class with private data members, color of type string, and field of type boolean. This is the get color method which returns the color, and this is set color, sets the color to C. This is the field method, and this is the constructor with default constructor, and this is the with arguments constructor. This is the toString method of the shape class. This is the class circle which extends class shape, and these are all the methods and getters and setters, constructors, everything. This is for the rectangle class, um, and this is for the square class. Now I'm going to execute the program. So this is the output. That's all. Thank you.